The IA1-M-V Lynx Shielded Analog Input Module. The IA1-M-V Lynx Shielded Analog Input Module, commonly referred to as the Analog Input Module, is a DIN rail-mounted module that is wired to an injection molding machine in order to collect 0 to 10 volt DC signals from analog measurement devices, providing information such as injection pressure, plastic pressure, screw position, and temperature. The analog input module is often used to acquire an injection pressure signal from electric injection molding machines. The shielded analog input cable is wired to the machine output card, which provides the signal, and the other end of the cable is connected to the IA1-M-V using the 4-pin connector. This cable collects the signal for use with RJG's eDART or CoPilot systems. Once installed, the analog input module needs to be configured using the CoPilot or eDART system software to read the voltages as pressures. The analog input module is also often used to acquire a screw position or velocity signal from an injection molding machine when the LER50 encoder is unable to be used. The cable collects the signal for use with the eDART or CoPilot system once the module is configured to read the voltages as screw position or velocity. The interface cable has color-coded wires to simplify installation. For 0 to 10 volts, the function is a positive signal, and the wire is blue. Attach the 0 to 10 volt DC blue wire to the output terminal of the injection molding machine, 0 to 10 volt DC I/O card. For 0 volt DC common, the function is a negative signal, and the wire is white. Attach the 0 volt DC wire to the common terminal of the injection molding machine, 0 to 10 volt DC I/O card. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the IA1-M-V Lynx Shielded Analog Input Module. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.